Just because I'm smenta does not mean a god thing damn. Okay?
Hey guys, I just want to say before this video starts, shipping's for Canada and United States, and I don't think he'll ship outside of there. Okay, what's up everybody? It's Jordy here at Carve Infusion in Canada. 2 more days till Canada Day. Anyway, so what I want to do is talk about punky wood in this video. Okay, well, just for the beginning part anyways. This is a peach I've carved this out to make some succulents, okay? There's a buddy, Eddie, in, where are you, Eddie? California there? He makes these succulent holders, so he convinced me to try and carve a couple, but no, it's not really type of my type of thing. But anyways, punky wood, guys. See this? How the screwdriver sticks in there and spins? Like, let's see if I can make it. Sticks in there and spins. That's punky wood. Okay, it's not rotten, but it pretty well is rotten. See? When you guys carve wood like this, sure, practice carving your bigger shapes like your nose, your mustache, your eyes to make your eyes deeper and your nose stick out farther. But don't try and carve detail on this because it's not going to hold. Once you sand it, it's going to be crap. So I've noticed in the videos that I make for you guys, of the new carver videos, lots of you guys use punky wood. Try not to use punky wood, guys, unless you're practicing your shapes, like your nose, your mustache. Don't try and carve detail on it because it's not going to hold when you go to sand it, okay? So, don't carve punky wood. I was contacted by a gentleman out in Winnipeg, Canada. He's a learning wood carver too. He makes some nice canes and walking sticks and stuff like that. He carves owls, and he's going to learn some wood spirit and stuff like that. His name. Sorry guys, I got the bad memory. But I've been talking with him on Facebook and stuff like that. Richard.vouriot. Richard.vouriot. His channel is why can't I friggin' remember the goddamn name? I watch all his videos too. We help each other, kind of how we can make our videos better and stuff for you guys. Shit, I know what his name is, but anyways, give me a few minutes. He's selling cottonwood. Choose your own path. That's his YouTube channel, and there'll be a link below in the descriptions, okay? Choose your own path. So what he's doing, because out in Manitoba there, Winnipeg, he's got tons of access to cottonwood, so he's selling it. So I told him, he sent me this box as a gift. I have lots of access to cottonwood, and really selling it's not my type of thing. I just don't have the time to do it. But he's selling it to add extra income for his family, which is a wicked idea because there's lots of people out there that are looking for this stuff. Look guys, this is pretty thick stuff. You know what I mean? Like, do I have a tape measure here? The goddamn don't have a tape measure already here. So whatever, but it's thick stuff, okay? So I'm going to carve a piece of this cottonwood that he sent out so you guys can see. Okay? You guys, cottonwood can be very shaly. Like if you look at this, this is what I mean by shaly. See that? Lots of the driftwood that I get is shaly. That's what I mean by shaly. Just flakes off like it's a paper layer, right? But this stuff looks pretty damn good, and I'm fairly impressed. I haven't carved it yet. Okay, I haven't carved it yet, but I'm pretty damn impressed. I think his price is, let's see here, I'll show you. He sent me, I asked him to send me some, and I asked him to send me a price list. So for 9 inches or smaller, which would be a piece like this, like you could reference to my hand, that's like, I don't know, 7 inches. A piece like this would be $5 plus shipping. 10 or 15 inches would be between 10 and 15 inches would be $10 plus shipping. 16 to 20 inches was $20 shipping. You know, if you guys wanted to buy bulk pieces off him, I'm sure maybe he might cut you a deal. I can't say that he will, but you think anybody would. But again, I should just shut up. So I think that's a pretty good deal because this is pretty solid stuff. The back's clean. You know, the type of cottonwood, when I carve cottonwood, it's got bug holes in the back. This stuff, look how clean that is. No bug holes. You know, I've carved all this cottonwood and I get worm splatters. There's worms in there, like for beetles. I get splatters in my face, but this stuff's pretty damn clean. Like, yeah, so here's an example of my stuff. Okay, this is a smaller piece, but you can see where's that wormhole. This is all wormholes in there. So, you know, like when I leave these to dry after I'm done carving, next thing you know, there's beetles or crickets in my goddamn room flying around. So, but this is clean stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to carve a wood spirit. I think in this piece, it's just going to be a fast forward carving, guys. So this channel is basically to shout out to my new friend, Richard.vouriot. Richard.vouriot in Winnipeg. And all the comments, all the links to his page on YouTube and his Facebook channel and his email will be listed below in the description. What I'm going to carve this piece out with, it's going to be a super fast forward carving, is my Dremel flex shaft 4000. Don't think you have to use a 4000. You can use a 3000 or even a Dremel 100 with the Kutzall carving burs, okay? This is a 1/8 flame extreme carving burr. And to buy these, follow the link below and use the code CFusion to save yourself 5% too. Okay, so let me get carving on this. And if you want to learn how to carve a wood spirit, just look in my playlist. You'll see step-by-steps how to carve the wood spirit. I know, guys, I got to start carving other stuff in my videos, but I love carving the wood spirits. When I'm ready to carve something else, I'll friggin' carve something else. If you don't like watching me carve wood spirits or you don't want to learn how to carve wood spirits, don't watch the channel. You know, watch something else. I can carve really whatever I want to carve. But I have fun with wood spirits. I'll carve this sucker in probably 10 minutes and I'll sell it for 25 bucks. So, Richard, let's see how well your cottonwood bark carves there, bud. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to talk a little bit more. I know you guys love my talking. Not. But anyways, I just cleaned up this outside, because the outside's rougher for people that don't know. So I cleaned up the outside, this gray stuff, and I'm going to leave a little bit to make it look old and weathered, okay? But you can see the back here, there's no bug holes. For the real beginning wood carvers, cottonwood bark is very soft to carve, okay? Lots of carvers love carving it. That's why lots of people are looking to buy it. Okay, it's very soft to carve. And the finer grit that you sand this piece with, you're going to see some beautiful grain of wood. That's what really got me into carving, is once I saw some beautiful grain of wood. And you're going to really see some beautiful grain in this cottonwood bark. It's nice dark stuff, this stuff. So, you know, if always try and find, when you're really beginning wood carver, try and find the softest wood that you can find in your area. And if you can't find softwood, and you got money and you can afford to buy some, buy some. I'm not trying to sell anything to anybody, and I will never do that on this channel. But this is great for carvers. You guys will watch videos of carving faces and stuff like that, and you will see the pro carvers using cottonwood bark because it holds detail and it's very soft, and it sands. When it sands out, you can get some beautiful grain in there, man. Okay, this wood spirit, this guy's beard's going to come down this side. It's going to be like short cut off here, and whatever. It's going to be a super fast forward carving, guys. You guys, all I can say is when you're really learning to begin carving, power carving with the Dremel or Fordham or whatever, learn the tool first. Learn how the tool works so your bit's not jumping all over the place. Learn the tool. Carve simple lines, whatever. And take your time, man. Take your time, master the tool. Once you master that tool in your hand, things will come. Greatness will come to thee all. Okay guys, so I just blasted this guy's off. Real-time carving was 12 minutes. I took the nose bridge way down deep there. You mix them up, guys. You can make them all different. You know what I mean? They don't have to be the same. So what I'm going to do now in this video is give it a good sanding with my little 1/8 sander. It's all brand new sanding pads on here. Cloth back. This is 1/8 nut and bolt. It will fit in my Dremel. So I'm going to give it a quick sanding. And I don't know. This guy's got a big forehead. Let's give it a quick see. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna record it, but I'm gonna carve all this back right now and show you guys. Remember this right here? How deep that goes? It's a little bit too deep in there. Remember this? And how far I can take this back down and how much cool it will make the carving look, okay? Ah, it still kind of looks weird, but whatever. It's different. Make them all different, guys. Okay, so here it is carved. I left it pretty basic, so I'm going to apply this Hellsman Spar Urethane Varnish Clear Satin. This is the stuff, if you put 2 or 3 coats on it, this is the stuff that will make your pieces shiny, guys. So, it's not my favorite guy, but whatever. It is what it is. I didn't carve the whiskers detailed because I want you to see the grain. This is another guy I carved quickly. Oh, these guys are funny with those eyes. I got to get better at eyes. Okay, so, you know, this is really soft, dry, beautiful cottonwood, actually. You guys, I'll never try, like I said, I'll never try and sell you anything on my channel. And I'll only review stuff and tell you what I truly think of it. And this stuff is nice stuff. I sounded it a bit, not too much, but yeah, this is really super soft. Sign your pieces. But yeah, so let me get this stuff ready and apply it. I just want to let you guys know I left this guy basic because I might try and make a mold out of him. You know, he looks all right. So whatever. Here's let's just scoop this stuff on here. This is really dark cottonwood, a lot darker than stuff I'm compared to used to carving. I wish you guys could see the... Okay, let me do this and then I'll get back to you. You guys don't need to see all this stuff here, but look how dark it goes. Real nice stuff. Okay, I'll get back. Okay, guys, you can see I got it coated on. Everything's still wet, right? But I want to show you the grain in this. Can you see that up there? That's hard to see in this camera. Let me see if I can turn this other light off. Yeah, you can see it a bit better. That's only sanded down with 180 grit. So imagine if you take it down to 350 grit, the beautiful grain you can see in there. This stuff's still wet, and these pieces are going to be shiny, but I give the big thumbs up on this Cottonwood Bark, guys. You know, so each of these pieces would be $5 each plus shipping. And I gotta say again in this video, it's only in Canada and the USA he can ship, not worldwide. Canada and the USA. So look for the information how to buy this Cottonwood Bark in the description below. And he'll get back to you. Super good guy, down to earth, another fellow Canadian. Right. I think this one's going to be a mold, a cement mold, because it's pretty basic. And it says what it is, right? It's like a big old beard there swooping in the wind. Later.